Okay, so problem 31 asks us to find the tangent and normal lines to the curve x squared plus y squared equals 25 at the point 3, negative 4. And now the first step is to take the derivative of this equation in order to find the slope of a tangent at any point. And so the derivative of x squared plus y squared equals 25 is the derivative of each of the terms. And the derivative of x squared is simply 2x. The derivative of y squared would be 2y times dy over dx. And the derivative of any constant would be 0. And now to solve for dy by dx, first we subtract 2x from each side. So we have 2y dy by dx equals negative 2x. And to isolate it, we need to divide by 2y. So we get dy over dx equals negative 2x over 2y. And the 2's in the numerator and the denominator cancel, so we get dy over dx equals negative x over y. But now we need to find the slope of the tangent at the point 3, negative 4. And so what we do is we plug in into our dy over dx equation. The slope of the tangent is negative 3 over negative 4. And that's because we just plug in our x and y coordinate, which is 3 and negative 4. And that simplifies to 3/4. But now we have the slope of the tangent, we have to use the equation y minus y sub 0 equals m times x minus x sub 0 in order to solve for an equation of the tangent line. And now we plug in our points. Our y point would be negative 4, and our x point is 3, and our slope is 3/4. So plugging all that in, y minus negative 4 equals 3/4 times x minus 3. And now if we multiply both the left and the right by 4 to get rid of this fraction here, we get 4y plus 16 equals 3 times x minus 3 times 3. And that equals 4y plus 16 equals 3x minus 9. And so if we add 9 to both sides and subtract 4y, we get 25 equals 3x minus 4y, or if you'd rather rewrite it as 3x minus 4y equals 25. This is our tangent, the equation of our tangent line. The problem also asks us for the normal, and the normal line is the line that is perpendicular to our tangent line. And so if the slope of our tangent at the point 3, negative 4 was 3/4, the slope of the normal is the opposite reciprocal. And the opposite reciprocal means that this number, 3/4, times its opposite reciprocal would have to equal negative 1. And so 3/4 times some number equals negative 1. If we solve for x, we get x is negative 4/3. And so this means the slope of our normal line is negative 4/3. And now again we use the equation y minus y sub 0 equals m times x minus x sub 0. And plugging in our points, we know y is negative 4, our slope is negative 4/3, and x is 3. So we get y minus negative 4 equals negative 4/3 times x minus 3. So this is y plus 4 equals negative 4/3 times x minus 3. If we multiply each side by 3 to get rid of the fraction, we get 3y plus 12 equals negative 4x plus 12. And now these plus 12s on each side cancel, and we get, if we add 4x each side, we get 4x plus 3y equals 0 as our normal line equation.